Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. This one has me very excited because it's rare that I come across one of these non-phone jobs for a big, well-known retail store. So we're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and of course share with all your friends and family. But well-known retailer Journeys, they are in malls across the United States. They sell a lot of shoes. They are hiring a remote multimedia customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position for the United States only. But they're basically looking for somebody to do customer service through all of their non-phone channels, including responding to and answering and sending emails. So as a remote multimedia customer service representative, you're going to be responsible for champion strong relationships with their internal and external customers by providing prompt intermediate support to those Journey customers. So you're going to assist the customer's employees through chats, emails, SMS text messaging, and social media concerning orders, shipments, and returns. You're going to use your critical thinking skills to help problem solve, ensure and maintaining the safety, security, and privacy of the customer's information. You're basically going to act as a brand ambassador, making sure to adhere to appropriate and effective set of core values set by the company. So completely non-phone, you'll be answering those emails, answering those text messages, answering those social media messages. Best thing about this position is only a high school diploma or GED is needed, no college degree. They do prefer somebody who has 1 to 2 years of customer service or retail experience, someone who can speak fluently in English, and someone who is willing to work a schedule with hours of operation. So you may have to work some nights and weekends. Above that, you do have to have strong communication skills and the ability to learn new software and applications. Now, they did not list pay in this job listing. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. If you hang on tightly 1 second, I do have a pay estimate for you, but they do offer a benefit package that includes an employee 40% discount, full including medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. And I could not find a multimedia specialist for Journeys on Glassdoor, but customer service based roles pay anywhere from around $30,000 a year up to $35,000, $36,000 a year on average per people who have worked in customer service with Journeys who have submitted their salaries to Glassdoor. So $30,000 to $35,000 a year is going to break down anywhere between $14 to about $16 to $17 an hour. So that just kind of gives you an estimate of what you'll probably be offered. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you did enjoy it, and share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.